Hello there. In this video presentation, we will share a topic about basic knowledge of sauces in the food and beverage department. What are the objectives, purposes, etc.? Make sure to watch this video until the end to understand it. And also you can download the files of the basic knowledge of sauces in the Microsoft Word document format and the PowerPoint presentation file for free. Find the link below in the description box. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel to grow. Here we go now. The objectives of this session is to understand the purpose of sauces, sauce categories, thickening agents. The purpose of sauces. Depending on the cooking method used, cooked food lose more or less flavor. Lost flavor must be captured and restored to the dish. Hence the two basic functions of sauce are: 1. To restore flavors lost during cooking. Sauce in this case is made from the cooking stock or the pan drippings, well known as brown and white sauce. 2. To serve as a flavorful complement and enhancement of a dish. Sauce in this case need not to be based on the flavor of the food with which it is served, for example tomato sauce, butter sauce, oil, or special sauces. In addition to the professional proficiency of the cook, the following requirements must be met. First-class quality ingredients in sufficient quantity. Flavorful, rich basic stocks with a clean taste. Fresh herbs whenever possible. Good quality wines and liqueurs. Now look at your screen. Here is the basic sauces chart and its derivatives. And this one is the white sauces chart and its derivatives. Thickening agents and their application. Thickeners bind liquids, cream sauces, and soups, and they enhance flavors. Modern dietary guidelines advise against high-calorie thickening agent, for example, blood, egg yolks. Today's consumer demands tasty but lighter dishes. Most use thickeners. Roux white for 1 liter equals 30 grams butter, 50 grams white flour. Melt butter and add flour without coloring it. When flour is heated, its starch changes to dextrin, and the raw flour taste eliminated. Consequently, soups, sauces thickened with flour are simmered for at least 15 minutes. Beurre-Meunier, ratio of 1:1 butter and white flour. Soft butter and flour are kneaded together in equal amount. Must be cooked for several minutes. Butter or Monterey burr. Butter is the most elegant thickener. Cold butter in small nuggets is stirred into the finished sauce or soup. The sauce or soup should not be heated further. If the product is too hot, the butter will separate, causing fat to float on the top. Liaison egg yolk and cream for 1 liter, 1 egg yolk plus 1 heavy cream. Blend the liaison with a small amount of hot soup or sauce and pass through a fine mesh chinois. Add the tempered mixture to the liquid while stirring constantly. Soups, sauces or cream should be heated only to about 80 degrees Celsius, as the egg yolk curdle at about 83 degrees Celsius. Do not keep the product in a water bath. Food bound with cream and yolk cannot be reheated. Starch. Starch must be dissolved in cold liquid before they can be added to hot food. Undissolved starch cannot expand when it comes into contact with hot liquid and will form lumps. Important. Starches bind liquids best at 80 degrees Celsius but lose some their binding capacity at 95 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching this video. Check out others videos from Hospitality Island for your reference. Greetings from Hospitality World.